in these fragile times. Got no worries cause I know that we can endure the aftermath. Just gotta stay classy, even when the fall gets a little crazy. Yeah, I'ma be mellow, free flowing like I be Jello. The one who drama back, coming like Othello. Tryna stay above, watching from the stars, Apollo. Get the bed on my system, just wanna let you know I can be soft on the outside, cause I'd rather not have to start fights. But don't be testing my inner patience, you don't wanna cross that line.
Oh, don't try to tie me, don't try to fight me, you better run. What you gonna do, what you gonna do, what you gonna do, what you gonna do. We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem you become like a wall, and every time I trip it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? It's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Help me the way I help you. Oh yeah, the way I help you. Why don't you help me?
No, wait.